Okay, Blake. Say hello to everybody.
Not really.
Tell everybody I'm feeding myself for the first time.
Not really.
So I'm playing in my Jell-O with the wrong side of the spoon. Are you going to put your fingers in it too?
Not really.
Do you want to take a bite? Say we're having tornadoes today. Can I see the spoon? Do you want a bite? No. Okay. You just want to play? Say hi to everybody. Say hi.
Say hola.
Can you wave? Yay. Good boy. You dropped your Jell-O though. But you waved. Please don't drop your spoon on the floor. You want to get a close-up? Ooh. 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 What's your new favorite word, Blake? What? 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 So thanks, Dad, for running my video. What?
Not really.
What? What? Okay, are you ready to say bye-bye? Blake, can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Say bye, everybody! See you next time! Same bat time, same bat place.
Same bat channel.
Same bat channel. Yeah. What are you going to do with the Jell-O now before we go? Huh? You going to stick your fingers in it? Are you going to eat it? I bet you're super sticky. Are you going to turn it upside down? Huh? Okay. Say we're signing off.
Peace out, marching and butter.
Say bye-bye. You're not being very much fun. Tico-tico-tico. Tico-tico-tico. You're busy, huh? You're busy with your Jell-O. Say, alright everybody, I'm out. Talk to you later.